Why use milk in scrambled eggs? I've seen many recipes for scrambled eggs with, see link, 1. And without milk, cream, half and half, see link, 2. So what does the milk do? The only difference I can see is color. Without the milk the eggs are a brighter yellow. What am I missing?
Well, it makes the eggs go further for one. But it also produces softer, creamier results. You're moving towards something like a custard or quiche. If you like your eggs very stiff, this is probably a bad idea. If you've never made scrambled eggs the Gordon Ramsay way, you're really missing out. He calls for fresh cream, but I use sour cream and find it works just as well and gives a nice tangy flavor. Great video where he demonstrates the technique. http://videosift.com/video/gordon-ramsay-s-perfect-scrambled-eggs. See link. 2. According to him, one of the reasons to add milk or cream is to cool the eggs down so they don't keep cooking after you remove them from the heat.